जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्य योगम 67th श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, you are in the body, you are in this world, and you definitely have to experience and enjoy so many things in this world. You cannot stop experiencing. But one thing you have to remember is, whenever you are experiencing the things, all that you have to think is, because I am here to serve Paramatma, I am here to do seva to Sri Krishna Paramatma. For that reason, I have to have all these things. I have to enjoy all these things. I have to experience all these mundane things." Like that, make a connection between your experiences and me. So you are simply thinking about me while enjoying all the things. That is how your experiences, your enjoyment, everything will get purified, because you are connecting all of those things with me. If not, if you do not do like this, your mind is not engaged with me like this, what the mind will do? Mind will start thinking about mundane things. Then there are unlimited things in this world. So that is like a huge stream of water. Now you have sensory organs. Every organ will go after one pleasure, other pleasure. Like this, all your organs will be running behind all the pleasures. You cannot stop your organs, because it is like a huge amount of air with enormous amount of velocity. Now, the pleasures in the world is like huge stream of water. Your organs is like a huge amount of air. Both of this, what they will do? They will pull your mind towards that. Forcibly they will pull your mind from your ultimate goal. Once this mind is pulled off, that's all. Your Atma Mananam, the Atma Dhyanam will be stopped, and your ultimate goal is totally disturbed, and then you will be back into this birth and death. You will completely drown in this again, samsaram. That is why link your mind always with me. Even while experiencing worldly things, make a connection from all your experiences to me. This is how Paramatma giving an instruction for all of us to lead our life as usual, but making a connection with Sri Krishna Paramatma. Having these teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Indriyanam hi charatam yanmanaha anuvidhiyate tadasya harati prajñām vayurnavam इवाम्भसि Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, do all your activities as my service. Keep on saying that Krishna, I am your belonging. Krishna, I am your belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Do not cry. And keep on remembering my teachings every day, at least through chanting one sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep saying that Krishna, I am your belonging. Krishna, I am your belonging. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings at least through chanting of one sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatar ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Pradhamaskandham, Suta Maharshi saying to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Ekada Dhanurudyamya Vicharan Mrugayam Vane. Once upon a time, Parikshitu went on for hunting. While he is hunting, he got so much of thirsty and hungry. Bhrusam kshudhitaha trushitaha. With that amount of hungry and thirsty, he started searching for water. Jalasayam achakshanaha. While searching for the water, pravivesa tamashramam. He entered into one of the rishis, Semika Maharshi's ashramam. That Maharshi at that time, Dadarsa Munim Asinam Santam Militalochanam. He is in his meditation. That Muni closed his eyes, and with so much of peace, he is sitting in his meditation, in his tapasya. Parikshit Narendra is seeing that Muni. That Muni sthanatrayat param praptam. He is not awake. He is not even his dreams. He is not even his deep sleep. Beyond that, Atma is there. Even beyond Atma, Paramatma is there. Now that Muni is enjoying Paramatma. That Muni is enjoying the association of Paramatma. In that kind of deep meditation, samadhi state, he is there. His hair is all over Viprakirna Jatachannam. His long hair got so much matted and he is spreaded all over his body. Now Parikshit Narendra has seen him, but because he is feeling so much of thirsty and he is so hungry, his entire of throat and mouth got dried. With that amount of hunger and thirst, he is asking Semika Muni for water. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Diviva Bhuviva Mamastu Vaso Narakeva Narakantaka Prakamam Avadhirita Saradharavindau Charanaute Maranepi Chintayami. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasetravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 67th sloka. Indriyanam hi charatam yanmanaha anuvidhiyate tadasya harati prajñām vāyurnavam ivambhasi. Indriyanam hi charatam yanmanonu vidhiyate tadasya harati prajñām vāyurnavam ivambhasi. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.